Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about the second important skill for today, and that is rewriting a logarithm as an exponential equation. Okay, so what we have here is the statement log base 3 of 9 is equal to 2, and we want to be able to write this not in this format but instead in the format of like something raised to a power. Remember, we've been doing a base raised to the power of a, or x, excuse me, gives us a, right? So we want to write it in this format instead. That's what we're going for. Okay. And so the whole idea is really simple. It's just this. The base of the logarithm is 3, so the base of the exponent is 3. 3 to what power gives me 9? 3 to the second power. So we're going to simply write it as 3 squared is equal to 9. Another way to think about it, that's our answer, by the way. Another way to think about it is you just take the 3, you move it over here and make it 3 squared, and then you just erase the log, right? So over here we could say 25, let's move it over and make it 25 raised to the 0 power. And that's equal to this value, which is 1. Anything raised to the 0 power is 1. That's a true statement. These should all be like really commonsensical, like, duh, of course 3 squared is 9, okay? Statements like that. Whenever you're finished, I mean. Over here, 4 raised to the negative 1 is equal to 0.25. And does that make sense? Is 4 to the negative 1 power, is it 0.125? Okay, it is. Sorry about the bells there. It is 4 to the negative 1 power. It is, because remember, if we just want to simply double check, 4 to the negative 1 power, I could take that and put it on the bottom of the fraction and make it a positive first power, right? So it's 1/4. Okay, now a little bit tougher here because I didn't give you a subscript. So what do we move over? Okay, remember, if you see ln, it's assumed that there's an e over there. Okay, so you have to pick up on that on your own. And so what we can say then is we can move it over and put it here instead, and we could say e raised to the x power is equal to 11. And then the last one, once again, now this one says log, and it doesn't have a number in the bottom, so you have to remember that it's assumed if nothing is written, there's a 10 in there. So we're going to take the 10 and move it over and say 10 to the third power is equal to x. And I don't want you to solve. I mean, that's you know, you can put 10 to the third power in your calculator, right? And we can figure that out. But I'm not asking you to do that. I just simply want you to rewrite. Okay? So there's the second big skill today, and that's rewriting logarithms as exponents.